Hi students, this is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society group of institutions. Today we are going to discuss about consolidation related drainage problems, compression index, and then modulus of volume change. So we are in fourth unit, that is consolidation, related to consolidation problem. Okay guys, before going to solve the problem, first going to problem, read out the problem carefully and write given data, and what's the formulas required for solving that particular problem. So first, in a consolidation test, the following results have been obtained when the load was changed from 50 kN per meter square to 100 kN per meter square. The void ratio changes from 0.7 to 0.65. Determine the volume change, coefficient of volume decrease, and also MV. What is MV? That means modulus of volume change, and also compression index CC. These two we can determine this problem. Shall we go for write given data? Yes, write given data. This is the first step for solving any problem. Given data. What's the given data? In a consolidation test, the following results have been obtained when the load was changed from 50 to 100. So the load will be changed from 50 to 100. So the first load will be 50, and then further it will changes to 100. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma 1 bar stress load, sigma 1 bar effective stress is equal to, and it will be changed from 50 to 100. So that is equal to sigma 2 is equal to 50 kilonewton per meter square and 100 kilonewton per meter square. Load will be changes from 50 to 100, and also the void ratio changes from 0.7 to 0.65. So initial void ratio E naught is equal to, initial void ratio E naught is equal to 0.70, and the change void ratio is 0.65. 0.65. So we can calculate the compression index. What's the formula for compression index? CC is equal to compression index CC is equal to change in void ratio by CC is equal to delta E divided by delta log change in effective stress. Change in effective stress. So these values will be given. Delta is equal to E naught minus E1. What's the value of effective stress? Delta log. So log 100 to log 50. So sigma 2 minus sigma 1. That values will be substituted, and finally we will get the CC value. That is equal to 0.7 minus 0.65 divided by 100 minus 50. Sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Change in effective stress. What's the value? What's the value for compression index? Anyone please calculate and tell me the answer. 0.166. 0.166. And next we can calculate the modulus of volume change, MV. Modulus of volume change. Volume change, MV. The abbreviation of MV, modulus of volume change. MV is equal to, what's the formula for modulus of volume change? Anybody have an idea? AV by, that is equal to A suffix V by 1 plus initial void ratio. A suffix V by 1 plus E naught. So what is the value of AV? What's the value of AV? So here the value of AV is equal to, already we have discussed this formula, change in void ratio by change in void ratio by change in stress. 0.7 minus 0.65 by 100 minus 50. 100 minus 50. Here log 10 100. Here the value will be log. Why? Because of change in base 10 and log of 50. Log of 50 base 10. So here the values will be difference in between this value. Here change in void ratio and change in log of effective stress. Here 0.16 is. But here change in void ratio, change in effective stress 0.7 by 0.7 minus 0.65 by 100 minus 50. So what's the value? The value will be 0.001 meter square per kilo newtons. Meter square per kilo newtons. So this value will be substituted in the modulus of volume change. So finally we will get the M suffix V value. A suffix V is equal to 0.001 divided by 1 plus, what's the value of initial void ratio? 0.7. So that is equal to 0.70. That value will be substituted here, 0.70. What's the modulus of volume change? Finally we will get modulus of volume change 5.88 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per kilo newtons. Meter square per kilo newtons. So this is the final value for getting this one. Okay, all of you clear? Yes guys. So the here the problem given compression index Cc and also modulus of volume change. So compression index Cc is equal to 0.166 and modulus of volume change, the value is equal to 5.88 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per kilo newtons. So problem completed.